Okay, the problems we're going to look at right now are called combining linear functions. There are two topics, or one topic that we haven't really seen this year, but there's two questions on the test that are related to it that are actually going to be extra credit for you. So you want to make sure you can get them right so you can get those extra points. And first example here we have f of x equals 3x minus 7 and g of x equals 2/3 x minus 12. If the situation occurs where we need to add those two or combine those together, it's very simple. All you really are going to look at is the equation part, the 3x minus 7 and the 2/3 x minus 12. Now you'll need to simplify the 2/3 x minus 12. 2/3 times x gives you 2/3 x, and 2/3 minus 12 will give you, if you need to go up here and work it out, 2/3 times 12 over 1, cross out, and you get -8. So you basically are combining 3x minus 7 and 2/3 x minus 8. Now when I say combine, that means we're going to add them. So it essentially becomes adding up like terms. -8 and -7 give you -15. And 2/3 and 3 you need to think of it as 9/3, gives you 11/3 x. So f of x equals 3x minus 7 and g of x equals 2/3 x, or parentheses x minus 12. If we combine those, we get 11/3 x minus 15. Now with this next one, we're going to combine it by actually subtracting them. So we're going to be f of x equals 12x plus 230, and then we're going to subtract from it g of x equals 5x minus 120. So again, like when we added them, we're only looking at the equation parts here. When we subtract them, we'll do the same thing. 12x plus 230, we're going to subtract from that 5x minus 120. Okay, now to do this, it's easiest to just go straight through it, but say it out loud to yourself or think it out loud to yourself what you're doing. We'll start with 230 minus negative 120, or 230 minus negative 120. Okay, so that's going to kind of change how you think about that. That's going to be 230 plus 120, which is positive 350. Put the plus there because it's positive. And then 12 minus 5 is going to be 7x. So if we were to subtract the two linear functions, we would get 7x plus 350. So remember that when you combine them or subtract them, you just line them up and you take the like terms and do whatever you're trying to do to them, combine or subtract.